Overview Lazy Keto, also called intuitive keto, is a simplified version of the ketogenic diet that only asks you to limit daily net carbs to 20 to 50 grams without counting calories or tracking protein and fat ratios. This approach suits the 30 to 50 age group because it helps with weight loss, blood sugar stabilization, and reduces stress of diet adherence. In this video, we'll cover how to get started, compare lazy keto to traditional keto, introduce 5 essential foods, walk through a week of lazy keto plus OMAD for office workers, and finish with a Q&A for perimenopausal women. 1. Lazy keto for beginners, ages 30 to 50. Lazy keto requires you to keep your daily net carbs below 20 to 50 grams while eating protein and fats freely. No macro calculations needed. Focus on whole foods like meats, fish, eggs, avocado, nuts, and low-carb leafy greens, and eliminate bread, grains, potatoes, and sugary treats. For those aged 30 to 50, it's wise to get a medical checkup before starting, especially if you have cardiovascular issues or diabetes, and to stay well hydrated and replenish electrolytes to avoid the keto flu. 2. Lazy keto versus traditional keto. Traditional keto requires strict macronutrient ratios, 70 to 80% fats, 10 to 20% protein, and 5 to 10% carbs to stay in optimal ketosis. Lazy keto only focuses on carb restriction, letting you skip the hassle of tracking fats and protein, making it easier to maintain and better suited to busy lifestyles. Traditional keto's advantage is faster, more consistent ketosis, and stronger appetite suppression, but it can be hard to sustain long-term due to meticulous tracking. Lazy keto offers flexibility and less tracking stress, though ketosis levels may vary, and you must mind your fiber and electrolyte intake to stay balanced. Choose based on your individual goals and willingness to track. 3. Top 5 fiber and electrolyte-rich foods. Avocado, high in potassium and healthy fats, supporting electrolyte balance and reducing cramps. Pumpkin seeds, packed with magnesium, which helps prevent muscle spasms and improve sleep. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, offer fiber, magnesium, and essential micronutrients for healthy digestion. Bone broth, rich in sodium and collagen, excellent for joint health and electrolyte replenishment. Chia seeds contain soluble fiber for longer satiety and smoother bowel movements. Combining these foods helps prevent constipation, reduce cramps, and maintain steady energy throughout the day. 4. 1 week of lazy keto plus OMAD for office workers. Sample OMAD schedule: Monday, mixed egg salad, avocado, shredded chicken, homemade mayo, under 30 grams carbs. Snack, a handful of salted cashews. Wednesday, pan-seared salmon, steamed broccoli, garlic butter sauce. Drink 500 milliliters bone broth with Himalayan pink salt for electrolytes. Prep tip: batch cook proteins and chopped veggies on the weekend, pack into containers, and grab and go each morning. Rotate similar meals throughout the week to limit carbs, concentrate nutrients, and eliminate daily macromath. 5. Q&A, lazy keto for perimenopausal women. Q, can lazy keto ease perimenopausal symptoms? A, by stabilizing blood sugar, reducing sugar cravings, and keeping energy steady, it can help lessen hot flashes and mood swings. Q, how do I protect my bone health? A, increase protein, eggs, fish, lean meats, and calcium, full-fat dairy. Add vitamin D and do light resistance training 2 to 3 times per week to preserve muscle and bone density. Q, when should I adjust my carb limit? A, if weight loss stalls after 4 to 6 weeks, consider cutting an extra 5 to 10 grams of carbs or adding gentle exercise, walking, yoga, to break through the plateau.